Okay, so I'm out here at this Ford versus Ferrari Cars and Coffees at a Ford testing center in Palo Alto. So I'm going to take you around here. We got a whole bunch of cars. So as you can see, we got the two coupes, and then we got, I think this is a Ferrari Portofino, Ferrari Roma, I'm not sure which one, but beautiful car. And then we got an older Ferrari here. Then we got another one on the other side. I don't know Ferraris at all, so I don't know which model. Beautiful stack injection. Got a McLaren. Another McLaren. Yeah, this is some crazy cars. Lamborghini. We got a spec BMW, more Beamers. Over here we got a Viper. And then we got this beast. Very cool. We got the Van Halen van. We got another Ferrari. Don't know the model. Another Ferrari, another Ferrari. And then we got a couple more Cobras up here. Then we got a beautiful Golf livery Ford GT, which I did notice the color is so much darker than mine. As you can see, it's more, not quite days, kind of in between mine and days. Then you got a brand new, I don't know what year this is, Ford GT. And actually sitting next to the 05 over here, I prefer the one from 05 better. I hate to say it, yeah, it's not the car, but you know what? I think it's a better looking car. BMW. Yeah, this is about as high end a car show as you can get. You got a Shelby Mustang, a nice Lotus. You got a Maserati, Porsches, you got just about everything you could imagine out here. We're still here. We got Porsches up the wazoo. I like this old one here, this old Carrera, good looking car. And then we've got this, it's a Cougar, I think, but look at this whole wide body thing. I don't know, it looks factory, but I've never seen this. I'm not sure what it is. We got a couple Mach-E's. Like I said, we're at the Ford. I heard this like autonomous driving testing facility, as you guys can see here. The Ford owns this whole area. Not sure what they do here other than I was told autonomous car testing stuff, design, research. They decided to throw this Ford versus Ferrari car event on, so you guys can check it all out. So. Yeah, you look at the difference between that Roma Ferrari, the back, and the coupe. So you tell me, which one looks better? Ferrari, coupe. Yeah, I think, I love the side of the Ferrari, very clean, very, you know, very nice, but you know what? I think I'll take mine.